Adventures, and today we are at Europa Park, back again for a trip here to this beautiful theme park. But today we are checking out the new ride for 2024, Voltron Nevera.
What do you think, David?
It's so intense. On my review of it, I would say that it's just a world-class coaster, and I would say it could be very intense, very airtimey. Sometimes it can have floater airtime, ejector, and that stall as well is amazing. Well done for the stall, Europa Park. That is very good. And it just doesn't really stop its elements. The only bit I'd say where it stops the elements coming in is the turntable, but that's actually kind of good because it gives you like a 30-second break, and that's actually quite good because, like, say you've done the first half and you're not really liking it, then you do actually get a bit of a rest, which, like, even for me, it can feel like quite a lot because it's just element after element after element, which I do like, but it can feel like quite a lot. And just kind of put that out there. But yeah, it's good for the turntable, especially for backwards launch. When I feel in it, that's actually caught a lot of people by surprise, I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, my full review. It is an absolutely amazing world-class coaster. I would definitely recommend Voltron. There is a few bits that need to be done, such as the battery train, but yeah, like, most of the coaster is absolutely perfect. Like every Mack product, it's simply perfect.
Mack product, perfect.
So yeah, the Mack product is almost perfect. But yeah, that's Voltron. Thank you for watching those theme park adventures, and I'll see you in the next video.